This is video number 3. The next morning, if you've seen the first video and the second video about modifying the field piece, or not the field piece, modifying the NAVAC, adding a filter dryer to be more permanently installed instead of a dryer filter hanging, dangling off your lines, in line or anything like that. So my son made up the line to put on the dryer, the connector. I'm gonna make up some sort of mounting where this could be permanently mounted somewhere more permanent. This is not the final configuration. This is temporary because we're doing 3 units. This is the recovery tank that I left on the vacuum pump overnight, making sure it's dry because the refrigerant that's going to come out of the 3 units we're recovering today is going to go right back into the same units. So that's why we're drying it out. And of course we are using the NAVAC 12 CFM 3 micron vacuum pump. So since I left it on last night, let's turn it on. Let's see what we're down to. Oh, we did better. I did want to get below 30 microns, and we did. We are at 12 microns. So I could live with 12 microns. 12 microns is good. And then we're doing a pressure decay test. If you've seen video number, it was a video number 1 or video number 2. We pumped this up last night. Let's get some power over to this so we can read our gauges, because it has high side and low side pressure built into it. And we are at, it was 223 last night. We dropped to 221, 217. Good enough for government work. It's only for quick intermittent recoveries, instant within a few minutes. It was pumped up overnight with 223 psi. I could live with that. So that's good enough for what it's going to do. And 12 microns is good enough for what I need to do. Actually, I've never even been able to get a whole system down to 12 microns. I think the lowest I've ever been able to get, like a 5-ton unit, was down to, I think, about 48 microns, 50 microns, something like that. Never 12. But that's what happens when you use a good vacuum pump with a good set of hoses. And as you know, most vacuum pumps are only rated down to 30 or 20 microns. This one is rated down to 3 microns. That's it for this short video. This is just a follow-up video from the one prior to this on these 2 pieces of equipment. This is ready for work today. This is ready for work today. See you guys later.